Whenever you have two parallel lines and you have one straight line going through the two, this angle here would be the same as this angle here. So for example, if this angle here is 20 degrees, then this must be 20 degrees. And let's try and understand why that's the case. So we know that all the way around here is 360 degrees. Well, halfway around would be 180. Now, if you have, if this angle here is, let's say, 20 degrees, then this angle must be 160, because these two added together must come up to 180. So here you've got a flat line, a straight line. So if this is 20, then this must be 160. And then if this is 160, for example, if you have an angle of 160, then this must be 20. So here you've got a straight line. This is a straight line. So it's just like a straight line here. So if this is 160, then this must be 20. And then if you look at this straight line here, if this is 20, then this, because it's a flat line here, then this must be 160. Now, when you have two parallel lines, this is the exact carbon copy of this. So you imagine this is like a sheet of paper. You can cut this thing out and then map it on top of this. So this is an exact image of this. So if this is 20, then this must be also be 20. This is 160, then this must be 160. So the point is that the two opposite angles will always be the same. The two opposite angles will always be the same. This being the exact carbon copy of this, then it will look exactly the same. So when you try and memorize this, imagine it as like this. You've got two parallel lines, a straight line. Imagine you're sitting in a car with four wheels here, and this is a wall. When you hit this wall, the angle on the left-hand side is let's say 20. Then when you drive through this wall and then you hit the second wall, the angle on the left-hand side, on your left-hand side, will be 20. So you can use this as a reference. Now that you know that this is 20, then the opposite will be 20. And you know this is a straight, flat 180 degrees. So 180 take away 20 would be 160. So if this is 160, this must be 160, and so on. So the trick is to imagine you're sitting in a car. When you hit the wall, the angle on the left-hand side will be 20. The angle on the right-hand side will be 160. So here, the angle on the left is, when you hit your second wall, the angle on the left will be 20. The angle on your right-hand side will be 60. Okay?